Benefits of credit cards. 1. Easy access to credit. The biggest advantage of a credit card is its easy access to credit. Credit cards function on a deferred payment basis, which means you get to use your card now and pay for your purchases later. The money used does not go out of your account, thus not denting your bank balance every time you swipe. 2. Building a line of credit. Credit cards offer you the chance to build up a line of credit. This is very important as it allows banks to view an active credit history based on your card repayments and card usage. Banks and financial institutions often look to credit card usage as a way to gauge a potential loan applicant's creditworthiness, making your credit card important for a future loans or rental applications. 3. MI facility. If you plan on making a large purchase and don't want to sink your savings into it, you can choose to put it on your credit card as a way to defer payment. In addition to this, you can also choose to pay off your purchase in equated monthly installments, ensuring you aren't paying a lump sum for it and denting your bank balance. Paying through MI is cheaper than taking out a personal loan to pay for a purchase, such as a television or an expensive refrigerator. 4. Incentives and offers. Most credit cards come packed with offers and incentives to use your card. These range from cash back to rewards point accumulation each time you swipe your card, which can later be redeemed as air miles or used towards paying your outstanding card dues. Lenders also offer discounts on purchases made through a credit card, such as on flight tickets, holidays, or large purchases, helping you save. 5. Flexible credit. Credit cards come with an interest-free period, which is a period of time during which your outstanding credit is not charged interest. Ranging between 45 to 60 days, you can avail free, short-term credit if you pay off the entire balance due by your credit card bill payment date. Thus, you can benefit from a credit advance without having to pay the charges associated with having an outstanding balance on your credit card. 6. Record of expenses. A credit card records each purchase made through the card, with a detailed list sent with your monthly credit card statement. This can be used to determine and track your spending and purchases, which could be useful when chalking out a budget or for tax purposes. Lenders also provide instant alerts each time you swipe your card, detailing the amount of credit still available as well as the current outstanding on your card. 7. Purchase protection. Credit cards offer additional protection, in the form of insurance for card purchases that might be lost, damaged, or stolen. The credit card statement can be used to vouch for the veracity of a claim, if you wish to file one. Just like a coin has two sides, every single one has its own advantages and disadvantages. When you are deciding whether to buy a credit card or not, you will have to think about your budget and how it will affect it. It is a proven fact that credit cards do not affect your credit health negatively. Instead, if used properly, they will enhance your credit score and report. But, if we look at the cons of the credit cards, we are able to assess that they have their own disadvantages. Let us examine someone overspending. When you have access to credit cards, you will tend to overspend as you are able to purchase something without actually paying for it from your own pocket. This becomes a habit and will lead to a debt that you may not be able to repay, and you can end up spending a lot on the penalties. Too high interest charges. If you are using credit cards for the fact that you will need emergency funds at some point in time, then you are paying a very large amount for it. This needs to be evaluated and you need to assess whether you actually need to spend using a credit card. 3. Minimum due charges. A lot of new users make this mistake if paying only the minimum due charges on the credit card. Due to this, the interest paid on the transactions are quite high, and you end up paying more than what actually has to be paid. 4 chances of fraud. Just like your money, credit cards can also be stolen, and you can notify the issuer once you get a hint of it. The issuer can block the card immediately. Sometimes, you do not realize the same before you get your monthly statement from the issuer. 5 surcharges. Credit card companies charge you to pay using credit cards, and these charges can pile up to almost 3%. Such additional costs are incurred just as a price for using plastic to pay for your expenses. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content.